Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Damn, I got a burp. My bad. So I literally just finished up a Spider-Man gameplay walkthrough for Likkle Space. If it's not out yet, it'll be out soon. I'm not putting a timing on that whenever I get it done. But I literally just got a package and I said, why not do an unboxing video right now? So basically my birthday is January 13th. That is next Saturday. It's what, the 6th? Yo, what's up, guys? I'm editing a video now. That was the 6th. Today's the 12th. So if this video gets uploaded today, which is the 12th, or tomorrow, which is actually my birthday, put in the comments below. Tell me happy birthday if you want. I'm not gonna first nobody, but I appreciate all the love. If y'all do support, I'll just say thank you in advance. So let's get back to the video though. So I got my shoes. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. I'm not doing a little unboxing video. You know what I mean? I gotta make content. Oh wait, this is not even it. Why did I order it without a box? Damn, I didn't even order with a box. So I basically got these from the GOAT. So I guess this box is not my box. Actually, nah. I got everything. Box for these. All right, so that said, I got it from the. Yeah, I can see that. I don't know if y'all can see. I got it from the GOAT. I usually get most of my kicks from the GOAT. If y'all want to see my shoe collection or my shoes, let me know, because I got a good bit of shoes. Oh, that's fire. Alright, so for my birthday kick this year, I went with something plain, regular. So I brought, you know, I'm from New York, gotta give me a pair of ups, but not any regular ups. I got me a pair of Love You Forever. I got a pair of Drake Certified Lover Boys right here. So this one kick, what is this, right? My right shoe says, I don't know if y'all can see, it says Love You Forever. And then this is dope. It comes with, I guess, beads for the shoelace. I don't know if y'all can see that. And an extra pair of shoelace. And it comes with these beads. So you can put the beads on the shoelace and put it on the shoe. And the same thing says on the other side. Love You Forever. Nothing crazy. Oh, this side got the little, his logo for his Nike, part of his brand. And yeah, nothing crazy. I didn't feel like dropping like mad money on sneakers this year. You feel me? And plus my fit finna go crazy, but you know, if you stylish without, you don't need to drop a bag to be fly, guy, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you, oh, the soles. Let me show you the soles. The soles is crazy. I can take them out. So the insoles I never took out insoles of my shoes. I hope I'm not doing it wrong though. Yeah, I feel like I'm ripping it. Let me just show y'all. Damn, they got this weird sticker on it. That's dumb. Alright, so y'all can see the inside. The shit I deal with during recordings. I can't get no quiet. The inside says what? I don't know how to Nancha. Who? I don't know how to pronounce this. Cause clearly I can't read that. If y'all watch the Spider-Man walkthrough, if it's out yet, y'all will see why I say that. But his logo, his brand, inside the sole. Same thing with the other side. Yeah, that's it. Cause I didn't really order these with the box. I wouldn't know what the box looked like. Cause I have like 2 more pair of Air Force Ones, so I might just clean up and give away. Cause at least one of them, give away to somebody. Just, you know, somebody got a pair of shoes that's in need. Because they're not even. I mean, one is more dirty than the other, but they're not crazy dirty. I believe if I clean them right, somebody could have a great use out of it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I use one of the boxes that I got already. So yeah, just wanted to do this little quick shoe unboxing, I guess, for this video. This is regular. There's something calm. If y'all want to see more of my sneaker collection, let me know. I'll definitely do reviews, cause I'm pretty much at this pair of shoes makes it 20 something. I don't even know how. I literally would have to count. But that's a little quick video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, subscribe to the channel. this channel, Rob Cam. Subscribe to Likkle Space for Likkle Space series videos. If you want to watch just that content that's on this channel, it has its own channel as well if you want to go check that out. And subscribe to the DPR Podcast whenever we drop a podcast episode, because I honestly don't know when that's going to be. Thank you for watching. As always, keep doing your thing and make it make sense. Peace.